Welcome to the candy factory. Early in the morning, trucks arrive at the factory gate. These trucks carry large bags of sugar, glucose syrup, food colors, flavors, and other ingredients. Workers carefully unload the bags using forklifts. All ingredients are taken to the storage area. Everything is checked for quality before use. The candy journey starts here. In this room, workers measure the exact amount of sugar and syrup. Big digital weighing machines are used. Accuracy is very important. Too much sugar or too little syrup can spoil the candy texture. Measured ingredients are sent to the cooking section. Large stainless steel cooking tanks are used. Sugar, glucose syrup, and water are added into the tank. The mixture is heated at a very high temperature. Steam rises from the tank. Slowly, the sugar melts and turns into thick liquid syrup. Workers monitor the temperature on digital screens. Now the hot syrup is ready. Food colors and different flavors like strawberry, orange, lemon, and mint are added. The liquid changes color. The sweet smell fills the air. The mixture is stirred continuously. The hot candy syrup is poured onto a large cooling table. This table is made of steel and is slightly cold. The syrup spreads and starts cooling. Workers use tools to fold and move the candy mass. Now the semi-solid candy is moved to a pulling machine. This machine pulls and stretches the candy again and again. Air enters the candy and makes it lighter in color and texture. The candy becomes shiny and smooth. The candy mass is fed into a rope-forming machine. This machine rolls the candy into a long rope shape. The rope moves slowly on a conveyor belt. Next, the candy rope enters a cutting machine. Sharp blades cut the rope into equal small pieces. Each piece becomes a small candy. Some candies are made in molds. Liquid candy is poured into molds of different shapes like round, oval, heart, or fruit shapes. The molds pass through a cooling tunnel. The candies move through a long cooling tunnel. Cold air circulates inside. This makes the candies hard and solid. After cooling, candies are ready for wrapping. Workers check the candies carefully. They check size, shape, color, and texture. Broken or damaged candies are removed. Only perfect candies move forward. Automatic wrapping machines wrap each candy in colorful paper. The machine works very fast. Hundreds of candies are wrapped every minute. Wrapped candies fall into a collection tray. Now the candies are counted by machine. Exact numbers of candies are filled into packets and jars. Packets are sealed properly. Candy packets are placed into big boxes. Workers seal the boxes with tape. Labels are attached to each box. Packed boxes are stored in a clean warehouse. The area is cool and dry to keep candies fresh. Boxes wait here for shipment. Finally, boxes are loaded into delivery trucks. These trucks will take the candies to shops and supermarkets. The candy factory process is complete. Sweet candies are ready for people around the world. As the day comes to an end, the candy factory becomes quiet. The machines slowly stop. Conveyor belts are empty. Workers clean their stations and switch off the equipment. Thousands of colorful candies are now packed in boxes, ready to travel to different cities and countries. These small, sweet candies, made from simple sugar and flavors, will soon bring smiles to children and families everywhere. The lights in the factory turn off one by one. Another successful day of candy production is complete. Tomorrow, the machines will start again, and the sweet journey will continue. Thank you for watching the complete candy manufacturing process inside the factory. We hope you enjoyed this relaxing and informative factory tour. See you in the next factory process video.